The Mount Toba eruption, 74,000 years ago, was so powerful it triggered a volcanic winter, cooling the planet for years. Mount Toba unleashed an eruption 5,000 times larger than Mount St. Helens, forming Lake Toba in modern-day Indonesia. Its effects reached across continents, altering rainfall patterns and disrupting life for centuries. This supervolcano may have brought humanity to the brink. Evidence suggests the eruption created a population bottleneck, leaving only tens of thousands of humans to repopulate the globe.